Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Dream Lover. We will begin by mastering the 4 fundamental open chords: C major, G major, A minor, and F major. These are the building blocks for the entire song. Focus on clean finger placement and smooth transitions between each chord. Practice slowly at first, ensuring every note rings out clearly. This solid foundation is crucial for playing the song beautifully. Next, let's tackle the strumming pattern, which is quite straightforward. It's a consistent down-down-up-up-down motion. Practice this rhythm with a light, even touch, ensuring a smooth and flowing sound. The key is to maintain a steady tempo from beginning to end. Try counting 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and as you strum to keep your timing precise. Now, let's put it all together by understanding the song's structure. Dream Lover typically follows a verse-chorus, bridge-chorus pattern. Pay attention to how the chord progressions change slightly for each section. Practice transitioning smoothly between these parts, allowing the music to flow naturally. Playing through the entire song, even slowly, helps you internalize its overall feel and timing. To truly master Dream Lover, consistent practice is essential. Begin by playing at a very slow tempo, focusing on accuracy over speed. Gradually increase your pace as you become more comfortable. Listening to the original recording will help you internalize the song's feel and nuances. Don't forget to sing along. This greatly improves your timing and overall musicality, making your performance more engaging.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.